Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the auto cut feature in Clipchamp. So what auto cut does is it will automatically detect any silences and maybe filler words in the audio of your video and automatically cut them out. So this is a great feature if you want to boost viewer retention and engagement because it reduces the amount of dead air inside of your videos. So I've got Clipchamp open here. I'm going to load a short video into my timeline. As you can see, it's about 5 minutes long. And to view the auto cut feature, there's only one way to check it out right now. And that's through the AI suggestions button here at the bottom right of our viewer, just right above our timeline. So if we go ahead and click on that, the first time we load the video in, it's going to take maybe a few minutes to analyze the clip or the full video. And this usually takes about 2 minutes for shorter clips and a bit longer for longer clips. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, these are the silences or pauses that it's detected, the purple highlighted areas. You can manually go over them if there are some you'd like to keep, but I'm going to go ahead and click on remove all. So once that's done, as you can see, it broke the video into 4 smaller segments and the dead air or the silence has been removed. So this is just a great and handy tool to speed up your video editing process, and I don't think any other video editor has it right now. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.